Female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovary, a pair of oviduct, which may be called fallopian tube, uterus, vagina, and vulva. We are start from ovary. Human ovary are a pair of small, solid, and ovoid bodies. Each ovary is about 1.5 to 3 cm long and 8 mm thick. They found on either side of uterus on the lateral wall of the pelvic cavity. They are attached to the dorsal abnormal abdominal wall through mesothelium and ovarian ligament. Anatomy of its anatomically ovary consists of two regions that are outer cortex and inner medulla. It has an outer covering formed of germinal epithelial cells or germ cell. Ovary is filled up with a connective tissue called stroma. Blood vessels, lymph vessels, and nerves are found in it. Stroma ovary contain many sac-like structures called follicles and produced from germ cell. These follicles, when matured, are called ovarian or Graafian follicle. The mature Graafian follicle later moves to the surface of ovary to release the ovum. After release of ovum, the rest of follicle transforms into a yellow-colored endocrine gland, which is called relaxin. In the picture, you can see ovary. Ovums are created in this platform, and then it jumps toward the oviduct funnel, and you have said that uterus, where a baby or a baby or a embryo is formed, and it becomes later a complete baby. After that, it take born through the you can see the way of the born. When now talk about corpus luteum, it produces hormone like progesterone, which prepare uterus to hold the zygote following fertilization, and also helps in the birth of young one. If fertilization does not take place, the corpus luteum disintegrates, leaving scar on ovary called the corpus albicans. The cells of germinal epithelium divided repeatedly to produce a ball or bunch of cells. One of these cells grow into oogonium, and the remaining cells surrounding it provides food to the oogonium. This young or primary follicle grows inside the ovary and changes into matured Graafian follicle. Fallopian tube or oviducts are a pair of muscular short tubes of 12 cm in length. They are extended from the ovary up to uterus. The anterior end of oviduct form a funnel-like structure called infundibulum, which bears an opening called ostium. This ostium is surrounded by a number of finger-like projections called fimbriac, and infundibulum collects ovum releases from the ovary, and this process is called ovulation. Middle white part oviduct is involved, whereas the basal part is called the isthmus. which open into the uterus. Then let's discuss about the uterus. Uterus is a hollow, thick-walled, pear-shaped organ situated in the pelvic cavity between urinary bladder and rectum. It is about 7.5 cm in long and 5 cm width. Uterus divided into three parts that are upper horns, middle Y, which is called corpus, and lower cervix. The cervix open into the vaginated pipe. Let's talk about vagina. Vagina is the copulation chamber or organ of female body. Cervix of uterus opens into the upper part of vagina, while the lower part of it open to outside through the vulva. So what do you mean by vulva? Vulva is the female external genitalia which extended from vagina to the exterior. It is included vaginal orifice, labium major, labium minor, and clitoris, and Bartholin glands. Bartholin glands which are helps in birth a baby. The vaginal opening is closed by two muscular folds of skin that are labia major and which are provided with hairs. Inside these are another pair of fold skin present called labia minor and are free of hairs. A sensitive erectile organ is present at the junction of two labia minor called clitoris and is a homologous to penis of male. During sexual excitement, the size of the clitoris is enlarged due to accumulation of blood in the spongy tissues within it. Bartholin glands are two vein-shaped glands present on either side of the vaginal orifice or opening. These glands secrete the lubricating fluid. The structure, a mature Graafian follicle is surrounded by a thick layer and is differentiated into outer theca externa and inner theca interna. The follicle possesses a large follicular cavity or enterum filled with liquid follicle. Liquid follicle is a nutrient fluid and it supplies food to the egg of follicle. The follicle has a central ovum or egg and it is surrounded a mass of cell known as the discus polygyrus. Follicular cavity separated the outer layer of cells called membrane granulus from discus polygyrus, and ovum is covered by a vitelline membrane and is around this membrane a non-cellular membrane founded called zona pellucida. Zona pellucida is surrounded by a group of tall cells called corona radiata. Theca internal layer secretes the estrogen hormone and is responsible for development along with uterus. This is all about the female reproductive system. If you really like the video, you do like to subscribe and share all of your friends. If you subscribe and like, I will get motivation to upload more and more videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.